How to capture dates in Vantage Advanced Designer. I'll go ahead and create a skill called Date Demo, and I'll upload a document. For this demonstration, I'll go directly to the Activities tab, click on the Extraction Rules activity, and then click on Activity Editor. The 3 dates I wish to capture are at the top of the document. I'll create a date element, keep the default settings, and click Match. Here we are capturing dates that I don't want. If I wanted to collect all these dates, I could do this with a feature called Repeating Group. I'll modify this date element and select a 4-digit year, not a 2-digit year. I will also select the month, day, year format. When I click Match, I capture a date, but it's still not the one I want. So I'll modify the month format and indicate I'm looking exclusively for 2-digit months. I'll click Match. Now I'm getting my targeted date. I'll copy the date element and paste it, and rename the new element Date Resub. Next, I'll modify the month format to look for words. I'll click Match. The hypothesis tree shows we found our first date, but the second date was found incorrectly. To fix this, I'll use the Nearest To feature. I'll look nearest to the left page edge. I'll click Match. My first 2 dates are being captured correctly. I'll copy and paste this date element and rename the date element to Date End of Life. When I click Match, I find that this 3rd date field has matched the resubmit date. I can use something called the Exclude feature to fix this problem. It's very handy. Under Where to Search, I'll click Add and then Exclude. I can select Date Resub, and this will exclude this element's location from my search area. Let's click Match and see how this works. We have correctly matched date, date resub, and also date end of life cycle. Note that the green highlighting is our search area, and the white area is excluded from our search. The resubmission date is in white, so it could not be selected. Advanced Designer was forced to find the correct date right here.